I am fine. I am fine. Don't say this. Say this instead if you don't sound like a local, alright? Guys, I'm fine sound like a textbook. I'm fine is boring. I'm fine is dead. So do not use it. Say this instead. I'm grand, deadly, not a bother, not too bad. Can't complain. Alright. I'm all good, man. I'm doing well. Pretty good. Living the dream. Just chilling. Just vibing. These are all native sounds. AG expression gulo. Mention column. Egulo अपना practice करे देखते पारें. I got to tell you guys, if you want to level up your English, you must follow these phrases. And yeah, of course, follow me. Now see you in the next video, guys, with some new banger tutorials. Till then, follow again, shusta again. Allah Hafiz. Ciao.